Every locksmith should have an arsenal of methods to gain entry through locked doors. One viable technique is impressioning, creating a new key by reading pin marks on a key blank. A vital part of impressioning is having a tool to firmly hold the key blank and provide enough leverage to move the blank in the keyway. In the old, inefficient method, the traditional tool of choice had been vice grip locking pliers. While they can provide a firm grip on some blanks, they leave scratch marks on the head of the key, rendering it unacceptable to give to your customer. The process of impressioning requires cutting subsequent depths in each space until the pins no longer leave marks on the key. The traditional tool of choice was the file. While filing a key is a viable option, it takes a long time and a fair amount of guesswork to file just the right amount to get to the next depth. If you file too deep, you may miss the pin mark and have to start all over. In addition to guessing at each depth, when filing you also need to approximate the spaces, angles, and flat of each cut. Inaccurate filing of any of these vital parts will result in a key that does not work the lock. Not only does your customer not have a working key, you have now wasted your valuable time in a futile attempt to make that key. And even if you do manage to get the spaces, depths, angles, and flats all correct, and the key actually works, you will then need to duplicate the scratched key onto a new blank to give your customer, which is an extra step and an extra expense. Fortunately, the HPC solution offers a better and more efficient method. Instead of vice grip pliers, use the HPC clean grip impressioning tool to hold the key blank without scratching the face of the blank. The HPC clean grip impressioning tool has a unique locking mechanism with a retaining pin that ensures a tight grip on the key blank. The innovative design pulls the blank into the recess of the handle, eliminating the possibility of scratching the face of the blank, while keeping the blank straight and providing a firm hold. The tool is precision machined from solid steel, providing an extremely durable tool. The cushion handle is comfortable and easy to hold. The HPC Clean Grip Impressioning Tool holds a variety of key blanks and has been engineered to be simple, quick, and dependable. With the key blank locked in place, you are ready to impression with confidence. To solve the problem of filing the key, use your Blitz machine. The HPC Blitz machine easily and consistently sets the spaces and cuts to each subsequent depth. Place the appropriate code card in the machine and gauge the key blank. Before impressioning, make very shallow cuts at each depth. Make just enough of a cut to designate each space. This will give you a clean surface to start impressioning. Once the spaces are clearly defined, remove the blank from the machine and load it into the HPC Clean Grip Impressioning tool. Insert the key blank into the lock to impression. Using firm but gentle pressure, bind the blank in the cylinder by first turning it to the right. Then again, with firm pressure, lift the blank up and down 2 or 3 times within the cylinder. Then repeat these first steps, this time turning the blank to the left. Look for marks in each space. When you observe one, put the blank back in the Blitz machine and cut 1 depth deeper in each of those spaces. Remember, if you don't see a mark, do not cut any deeper. Continue this procedure until the key operates the lock. Because you used the HPC Clean Grip Impressioning tool, the key you just made is ready for your customer. There is no need to duplicate it onto a new blank. To learn more about the HPC Clean Grip Impressioning tool and the Blitz machine, contact your authorized HPC distributor.